All right, folks. So today we're going to take a look at Success Bux, a website here for earning money for doing different tasks, watching videos and such, and all kinds of stuff like that. But first, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I do make money, or make money. I make videos about making money online, mostly through affiliate marketing and stuff like that, hence the name of the channel. Also, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. You get a free account, free training, a couple free websites. No credit card needed to sign up. That's in a link in the video description below. So check that out as well. And let's dive into this here, folks. So I'm taking a look at this thing here. Basically, you make up an account and you watch advertisements or perform tasks or do surveys. And then you sign up through PayPal and get your money from PayPal. But I'm looking at this thing here and it's really, so we'll just go here where it says earn. And there's a way to upgrade your account where you actually pay them, which is kind of strange, to pay them to make more money. But they got these things here, and like you're making a fraction of a cent for doing tasks. I already watched this video too, and I don't see myself getting any points or credits for watching this video. So that's one of the things. And then there's this one here, another fraction of a cent you're going to get. So I don't know how you're ever going to make money doing this. This one's not even loading. It just seems like a big waste of time to me. And this one, rotator, I don't know. It's like I clicked on this. This is Success Bux, my account. Let's look at some of the other things I got in here. Paid to sign up, paid to listen. So you earn, 0.0005 cents. So that's very, what are you going to do with that for listening to this? 10 minutes. Cash flow per share, 10 minutes during the radio station. For some reason, it's not loading quickly either. So this is a very, very drawn out way to make money. I don't see any, what are you going to do with this, folks? I don't know. If you're using this system, let me know and check. Or if you have used it, put the comments in below. But this thing isn't even loading. It's taking forever here. It's taking more time to load the page than it is to actually do the work they want you to get. I guess that's just nonsense, but who knows? For some reason, it's not loading anything. Try again, restart. Yeah, so it's not even working that well. So I don't know how they expect you to make money. So anyways, while this is loading, let me tell you about my #1 recommendation a little more. Like I said, you get 2 free websites, you get free training, very in-depth training too. It's not just like, it's about how to make money online with affiliate marketing and stuff like that. And even if so you cannot be reached. Even if you're experienced affiliate marketer, there's a lot of benefits from the my #1 recommendation. Anyways, this is not even working, folks. So they want you to, so page isn't loading. Let's try another one. Earn money. Trial pay. So this is stupid because then you got to sign up for these dumb things. I guess these ones do pay more. You get $5 cash, but you got to sign up for this crap, and you probably got to. Let's just look at this one. Confirms instantly. Basically, you're doing an offer. Discover, inspire, grow, join Fit today. So yeah, so you got to buy something, so you get $10 off. Subscribe and cancel your thing at any time, just to get $5 back for something that you. I don't even know what this is, but fit, fun. Obviously, fitness something. But it's like what? Yeah, it's like I don't know, man. This stuff is just. It's not a scam, but it's just very. It's you're not gonna make much money from it. So yeah, I don't recommend this at all. It's just a waste of time if you ask me. So anyways, I'm not going to ramble on anymore, waste your time here. Check out my other videos. I got some really good money making opportunities and stuff on my channel. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.